Hey guys, what's up? This is gonna be my first ever vlog on the Big Red app. So spend a day with me. Literally, it's gonna be a productive day. Hopefully, I'm just gonna spend the day doing some chores around the house. It's my day off today. So I just dropped the kids in school. I should have vlogged that, but okay, that's fine. I just dropped the kids in school, so it's just me now in the house. And first thing first, I'm gonna get my breakfast. Guys, I've been doing this frozen oats. Don't laugh at my wine glass. I'm here to buy some mason jars. I think I saw them in town. I'm just gonna, if I have time, I'm just gonna hop over town and get myself some of these mason jars. And I've been making frozen oats, and these are so filling. So it's oats, chia seeds, natural yogurt, and fruits of your choice. I put in focus. Can you focus? Focus D. Yeah, I put in some strawberries and some kiwi. Yeah, I put in some strawberries and some kiwi, guys, and this is so yummy. I'm gonna go ahead and have my breakfast and let's start this day. Put it on. All right. Gonna start cleaning, and I'm starting with putting the sofa covers in the washing machine. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. I'm filming with my camera, and I'm also filming with my phone. The struggle is real, yo. TikTok and YouTube. We gotta do both. So it's Can you see the time, guys? It's 15:47, 13 minutes to 4, and I'm just coming downstairs from being upstairs all morning. I did do a thorough clean on my defense, and also because I was filming it took me longer than I would usually. It took me longer than I would usually do. So since I wanted to pick the kids at 4:30, I'm gonna move it a little bit, pick them at 5, giving myself another 30 minutes, and I'm just gonna quickly look at my living room, guys. So really downstairs here is not that dirty because I always clean downstairs like every night before I go to bed. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna quickly just do a quick job down here, and then I'm gonna go do a quick shower, and then I'm gonna start cooking. Hopefully I'll be done by 5, and then I'll pick them. Usually they're supposed to finish their after school at 6. I wanted to be a good mom and pick them early, so okay, hopefully I pick them at 5. So let me just start cleaning here, give myself an hour, take a shower, and start cooking. I won't finish cooking, like when I'm still cooking I'll just rush and pick them, and then I'll come back. And yeah, let's do it. Yeah, I just finished having a shower, quick one. Am I the only person that puts perfume on their hair? I like to smell myself golden, so I put it on my hair. I'm just gonna put some lip gloss. I know my wig is looking like, it's looking too Indian. I'm not feeling it. I'm not feeling my wig. Maybe I should put the bandana. Anyway, it's just a school run. So let's see what's the time. It's 10 to 5, and their crèche is literally 5 minutes from me. So it looks like we made the 5 o'clock pick up. Proud of myself. So I'm just proud of the boys. My skin is the skinny. So let me run these boys up. I'm gonna leave my camera charging because I think I need to charge. I'm gonna leave it charging.
This is one of my joke card. I like what?
So you like your Weetabix?
Huh? Sean, are you gonna live with Weetabix? No.
Hmm?
I'm so mad at you now.
You want someone?